Hey, what's up everyone? Today we're putting Cerakote's High Foam Vehicle Shampoo to the test. You've probably seen this online with a crazy foam, promises to be coating safe, smells good, but how well does it actually clean? I'm just a regular car owner, not a pro detailer, so if this stuff is easy to use and gets solid results, that's a win in my book. So let's check it out. Okay, here's the water with the soap. I added like around 2 ounces. So let's start with the test. Let's see how foamy it is. I always like to put foam first and then rinse it out and then add foam again, scrub it and then rinse it out again. So that's the way I do it. If you have your way, let me know in the comments what it is your way. First, let's see how it's going on. So just a quick rundown about this soap. This one is a pH balance, safe for wax, sealants and ceramic coatings, and supposed to create a thick foam, as you can see here. And they do highlight the scent, so let's check it out and let's see how it smells too. So as you can see, that's some serious foam. Feels like my car is getting a proper bath, not just a rinse. Okay, now the next step is to rinse, to remove the dirt from the car. I left it a little bit like that with the foam. So now I'm gonna remove all the dirt from the top of the wrap. Let's test it. Yeah, it's working. I'm impressed with this soap. I haven't put any ceramic coating in this car for a long time, and as you can see, this soap is bringing back the wax. So I haven't done a wax like in 4-5 months. So this shampoo does not have waxes or coating in it, so it is great for a new ceramic coating or to maintain the coating already in your car.
And I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs.
Alright, I'm impressed. My car looks great and it still has that protected, smooth feel. And it has a light tropical scent. It's a really pleasant, but not overpowering. So is Cerakote High Foam Shampoo worth it for everyday car owners? Yes, it's easy to use, it has an amazing foam, doesn't mess with the protection like your ceramic coatings, and it smells good. And the best of all, it actually makes washing your car fun. If you have tried this shampoo or have a favorite one you swear by, drop it in the comments. And let me know which one it is that you use, because I want to know. Hit that like button if this was helpful. Subscribe for more honest car product reviews. So thank you for watching. God bless you. Thank you and see you on the next video.